Assalamu alaikum. I am Mirun Bam Hossain Akib from Software Engineering Department. My ID is 191352640 and I am from Section A.
And myself, TM Moinuddin, my ID is 191352663.
Today I am going to talk about my presentation, which is about how a hypothetical machine execute instruction. Before we know about how a hypothetical machine execute instruction, we have to know about the CPU register. There are three important CPU register, which is program counter, PC, instruction register, IR, accumulator, AC. A PC is used as a memory pointer. It stores the address of the next instruction to be executed. This register is used to sequence the execution of instruction. Then we have IR. An IR holds the instruction until it decodes. Here you see, this 300 is the memory address, and it is held by the PC, and again for this 300 there are instruction 1940, and it is held by IR. This is IR. Then we have AC. An AC accumulator is one of the main register of the arithmetic logical unit, which is ALU. It used to store data temporarily and perform arithmetic and logical operation. Here you see, this is AC and this is a temporary storage, and this 0003 goes here for the ALU. Then there will be given some partial list of opcodes. Based on that opcodes, we have to execute instruction. For example, we have some binary opcodes 0001. The decimal version of this binary code is 1. For 1 we will load AC from memory. Then the second opcode is 0010. That equivalent of decimal value is 2. For opcode 2 we will store AC to memory, and then we have 0101. That the decimal equivalent value for this binary is 5. Then for 5 we will add AC from memory. That's all about from me. Now rest of the presentation will be continued by my teammate Moin. Thank you.
Thank you, Anupam, for explaining the theory part. Now I'm just going to explain a math that will helps to more understand, to help you the more understand. So here is the question. You can see here is the question, and in this question they're given. The question is, a hypothetical machine has 3 instructions, 16-bit instruction with 4-bit opcode, right? So in there, and there are also perform the following operations. In the first operation, here give 001. This is the binary number of 1. Its decimal number is 1. So 001 loaded AC from memory, and 0101 store AC to memory, and 0101 add to AC from memory. So the memory portion, so we know that there are two portions. One is two section. There is one is instruction. One is instruction which we store in a memory section, and another is address part, where we are just saved this instruction in this address. Okay, so in memory part there are some address 3130 and 301 302, and under this address there saved a opcode and a memory a instruction address, right? So there are the memory address in under this part. There is 904 and 941, and under this address they are given some value. Okay, so in CPU register there are 3 part: PC, AC and IR. Anupam explained that what is PC, AC and IR, so I don't need to explain this again. So I'm just go to the math. So in the first part we are just put in the value from the first memory address under the value is 1940 here is given. We are just put this value on IR, right, and we are just put the value the memory value on PC. Okay, so here the memory value is 300, so we just put this value on the PC, right. So what's the next step? In next step we are just fill the AC. So how we just fill the AC? In IR section we see here the first bit is the opcode. Okay, so the opcode number is 1. So we are just we are just check the question was they wanted to do they wants from us to do with 1. So this is the 001, this is the binary number of decimal 1. So we for this instruction they said that loaded AC from memory. Okay, so we are just loaded here we just loaded value here from the memory. So the second part is the 940. This indicate this value, right. So we are just put put here put AC this value, that means 003. Okay, so 003 we are just indicate this value. This clear, I hope. So this is our first instruction, right. Now we are just go to the second instruction. In second instruction we are just no changing right now we are not changing on PC value and AC value. Now we are just at first our work is change the IR value. Okay, because the last instruction IR value is completed. Now we are just go to the another the second instruction. Okay, so the second instruction is 5941. So we just put this value on this IR section, right. So I just write here, and you also know that on the first part is the opcode and second and last three is indicated with the memory address. So here memory address is 941 which indicates this value, right. So the second one we just increases we are just increases the value. The last one is PC value is 301. Now we just change the PC value which is now we are just already we put the value 5941. So its PC value already should be updated, right. So now we are just put here AC value from is 30302. Okay, and now the AC value and now we see that in 5941 there is the 5 is the opcode. So what they want from us, so we just see the question. This is the 5 and 0101 it's indicate the 5. So they asked us to do add 2 AC from the memory. Okay, so here also we see that here also we see that the AC value is 3, right. Now we are not changing on the PC value and AC value for the last statement. The PC value 302 and AC value 35, this two values are not changing, but we change the IR value. The last we are working with the 301's address, that is a 5941. Now we are working with 302, that means 2941. So we just put the value in IR. In IR the opcode is 2. So we see the question the opcode 0010 they wants to store AC to memory. So here AC value is 0005 and now they wanted to store this value. This is 005 value. This value we are just stored in 941, the address we put this value in there. So 941 their current value is 2. So after updating the value from AC, the new value of 941 will be 0005. Okay, so this is the it is the whole process of this hypothetical machines. So this is the all about our presentation. I hope everyone you understand what the actual things in hypothetical process. My first teammate he cleared the theoretical part and now I am just describing math to understand you properly. So I hope you understand the whole of the topic. So here end of our presentation. Thank you.